All right, we finally have developed the theory of real numbers. Where do we move on to from here? Well, we're going to start heading towards topics that are familiar from calculus. You may or may not have noticed at the time of taking calculus, but absolutely everything that we study is about basically limits. Now, we study the limit, so yep, that's an example. We also study the derivative, and the derivative is the limit of, let's say, a bunch of secant slopes, and so that's an example. We also study the integral, and the definite integral is the limit of a bunch of rectangle area sums. Historically, the reason why real analysis was even invented in the first place is that we found a few limits that we simply could not understand without a more rigorous foundation. So that's why all of this theory was developed, is so that when we get to those harder limits to evaluate, we'll have a thoroughly developed theory that will help us to answer those questions. Once we do that, we'll start to develop some ideas that you didn't encounter in calculus.